boys, what you doing? What do you have there?
I have a dumper with 2 milk on them.
Really?
Yeah, with her milk, I mine it just like that. She goes slow out. There's a weather motor.
Oh.
And now you have big tires. You're a little bit slow with them. See this? You don't slow on the tires. In my tires, a big slow.
Where is number 3?
He went to get something, I think.
Where's number 3? Could you go find your brother? We don't want to lose him. We want to keep him.
Okay,
I don't know why, but here comes number 4. Let him go.
What you got, E? There he goes, the big E. Oh, man. Wipe out. Elijah, what are you doing? Can you tell me what you're doing? My gosh, it is so cold. Can you look around for A?
I am. I don't see him.
There he goes. Are your hands cold?
No.
Where are the gloves? You want to come in and warm up? Oh, what? Your hands are cold?
No.
They're not cold? Because they look like it. They're awfully red. Why don't you come in and warm up for a little bit? Come on in and warm up for a minute. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hmm? I hear the ducks. Here come the Bickersons.
Isn't that a champagne cold duck?
What?
See that.
What do you see?
That.
You see some ducks eating some snow? Are they eating the snow?
I don't think they're that smart.
They are. Anything that's remotely close to water. Wow, animals that are water animals. There's something different.
Like store.
Yes. Yeah. We need to go out and feed some animals.
Blow